Hello guys, so this quick explanation how can I find a sharp entry only using a time frame, right? Currently I'm just using a multi-time frame technique. Okay, so first thing first, this is a gold pair on the H4 time frame. So I will started marking the zone from the H4. Okay, so from the H4 I will find the nearest support and resistance level. So if you guys can see, we have the nearest resistance level on the H4. Alright, so here we go. At the first I will mark the H4 resistance level. Okay, so how do I mark my zone is I'm just marking the shadow to shadow. I'm never take the body. Okay, I'm never take the body, just take only shadow to shadow. Alright, the shadow and shadow, that's all. Okay, so we already marked on the H4 time frame. So now we will using a multi time frame. So we just move the next lower time frame, which is on the H1, to precise the zone. Alright, the more you precise your zone, the small zone you will get. So this is on the H1. Alright, so this is H4. From the H4 we will precise the zone again. So this is the nearest resistance on H1, and we just take a shadow. Right, so here we go. The zone currently will be more smaller, and we go to the next one on the M30 for the last one to precise the zone. Alright, so we will take the nearest M30 resistance and just take the shadow. Alright, so that's it. We already get a smaller zone and the sharp zone. So now we just wait the price come pull back on that zone and we will entry. Okay, so that's all. I hope you guys can understand what the things I deliver to you guys. Okay, bye bye and ciao.